Ri'Abasubati ababwatania Esekta yo obochenu nigo bono bachakire omoroberi obwogochamo yorengete koenekia Gokinia obwamatu buya hegati yabo na kubakonya abaraya banga basubati koegendereria kwigora amabaga y'ekigasi nabo igo kwegendereria ase barabwo ase omoiga wariganetiwe n'abaraya bo abasubati Esekta y'obochenu arenge mu bisomo nase wizara y'obochenu Mary Muthoni oyo ruro kuboria gochase abaraya bo abasubati ase Esekta y'obochenu kubeka emiroberio abo igogotena ase Ribaga iryo korenta amaonchoreria na kurwandira okwegendereria ko basubati ase Esekta y'obochenu nabo igo amabaga ao ase chigasi.
That the decisions that shape our national health system are fundamentally better when women help make them. This is not just because we are better for women or I'm a woman. It is better for everybody, the decisions that are made by those women. And it means better outcomes, better policies, and better care. And the evidence is undeniable because across Kenya, Kenya constitutes the undeniable backbone of our healthcare workforce. Today, you make up almost 75% of Kenya's healthcare workforce. From the nurses, to the doctors, to community health promoters, to nutritionists, name them. We have almost 50 cadres in this country. We are here to ignite a caucus. We are here to ignite a fire in your belly that has been burning inside you for many, many nights. We are here to celebrate, to connect, and empower women whose hands, minds, and hearts continuously shape the health and the prosperity of our country. Women are, you're fewer in leadership, you're fewer in some spaces. And I want to encourage you today, and especially those who are aspiring to work for the Ministry of Health, when you see an advert, please put in your name. There is no job in this country that is kept for somebody. Those jobs are yours. When we want directors in the Ministry of Health, please put in your name. That is how we elevate and we get the women at the cream and at the leadership positions.